I'm Elizabeth Markevitch and the founder of ikonoTV, an art-only streaming platform. I'm here in Venice, a city which has part of its DNA water issues. We call them acqua alta. In autumn and spring, the city is flooded, but of course high records are on a regular basis are getting scarier and scarier. But Venice is also one of the most beautiful cities in the world, with exceptional art and architecture. So it seemed natural to announce an open call to video artists to change our way to see this challenging topic, which is climate change. We need new storytelling to act and protect our environment, meaning to protect also our lives. Please take part in Art Speaks Out, the open call for our climate, and ikonoTV will stream the videos during the 2 weeks of the COP from November 6 to 18, 2022.